How to unblock Uber driver account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unblock Uber driver account. For this, open up any web browser. Now, on the search bar, search for Uber Help. Now, over here, you want to tap on this Uber Help option. Now, the website is help.uber.com. You can directly type this as well. Now, here you want to type on the riders option. From here, you want to select account from these topics. Now, you want to scroll down and find the option of I need to contact support. Tap on this. Now, in order to contact support, you will have to fill up these details. The first thing you want to do is enter your name on account. Once that is done, you want to enter the phone number on your account. Now, you want to select other from here. Then on this box, you want to enter that your Uber driver account has been blocked and you want to have that unblocked. You also want to enter some details about your Uber account. Once that is done, tap on the submit option. Now, the customer support of Uber will get in contact with you and help you unblock your Uber driver account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.